Hello guys, in this video I want to introduce you about split string. But before I explain this topic, please like, subscribe, comment, and share so that I will be more enthusiastic in making other interesting videos. The split method returns a list where the text between the specified separator becomes the list items. So, in other words, the split method splits the string into substrings if it finds instances of the separator. For example, let us see my screen. A equals hello world. Now I want to type rin. A dot split double quotes comma. Okay, you can see that there's a result in my screen. That's all from me guys. Hopefully this video is useful and see you in the next video.